We've come across a beautiful blue flag iris, which is a native to Michigan. These irises are great plants to have if you have a wet patch in your yard that needs to be soaked up so it's not flooded. Irises like this, like wetter areas, if you can tell, this is kind of in a little wet area next to a parking lot, which is a great way for that runoff water to just go right into this little depression with these plants to help soak back into the ground. That's what we call groundwater recharge, and groundwater that's soaking back into the ground will be a little cleaner than any surface water runoff. And we have these different plants like the blue flag iris to thank for that. They help water get back into the ground when we plant them, so if you're thinking about putting in a rain garden, definitely consider the blue flag iris.